Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a Pages document. First, open your document in Pages. Navigate to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. From there, select Signature to begin the process. You'll have options to create a new signature or use an existing one. This method ensures your document is officially marked with your personal sign-off, making it ready for sharing or submission in just a few simple steps. To create your signature, you have a few convenient choices. You can use your trackpad to draw your signature freehand, aiming for a natural look. Another option is to use your iPhone or iPad to capture a signature, which often feels more authentic. For a quick and clear option, simply type your name, and Pages will convert it into a stylized signature. Choose the method that best suits your preference and the document's formality. Once your signature is created, placing it correctly is straightforward. Simply click and drag the signature box to move it anywhere on your document. To adjust its size, grab any of the small blue squares at the corners of the signature box and drag them inward or outward. Aim for a size that looks natural and professional, typically around 1 inch to 1.5 inches in length, ensuring it fits neatly without covering other text. After you've successfully added and positioned your signature, remember to save your Pages document to preserve all changes. For broader compatibility and to lock your signature in place, it's highly recommended to export your document as a PDF. Go to File, then Export to, and select PDF. This creates a secure, uneditable version of your signed document, perfect for emailing or uploading, ensuring your signature stays exactly where you put it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.